Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove phone number from Google account. So first, you just have to simply open your Gmail and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now you have to click your profile at the top right corner, and then you have to make sure that this one is the account you wanted to delete the number. Okay, so tap the profile at the top right corner and then click this Google account. So once you tap this Google account, then it will take you directly to this area. And the next thing to do is look for personal information. Okay, so click personal information and you have to scroll down till you see your contact or your profile. So in your profile, you will see here your name, your date of birth, a gender, and also your email address and your phone number. So as you can see here, I have five phone numbers added. So let me tap this one right here. And then you have to select that specific phone number that you want to delete. Let's just say I want to delete this number, and you will see a trash icon or delete icon on the right side. All you have to do is to tap this one. Then they will ask you again if you really want to delete this because it somehow affects your Google account. So once you're okay with that, then click remove a number. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.